Don't be shy.
Hare Krishna Maharaj, thank you for the response. So I have this question like, what's the difference between
Comfortable spiritual life
and comfortable
Thank you for asking. We were in material life. Something happened which made us realize this is not going to work. I need to look for something else. In Bhaktivedanta, Krishna says, Chaturvida bhajante mam jana sukritina arjuna artha jigyasu artharthi jnani cha bharatarshava. Krishna says 4 types of people come to me. Prabhupada later on says, yes, 4 people come, but basically 1 type of person comes, the distressed. So we came from material life, we realized I need something more. We came to spiritual life. But what can happen in spiritual life is we can become comfortable. We can think, I come to the temple, I put my hand in the bead bag every single day, I open the Bhagavatam, and I put on tilak. Therefore, now I'm comfortable. Krishna is not so interested in that. Krishna is interested in your heart. He's interested in your bhakti. He's interested in you giving yourself, the soul, in relationship with Him, in selfless service. He wants to have that pastimes of love.